How to create a portfolio in Wix. So hello everyone, so in today's video, I will show you guys on how to create a portfolio in Wix. So without further ado, let us begin. The first thing that we need to do is just go to the Wix website, which is just wix.com, and then from there you can now create an account. So to create an account, what you want to do is just click on get started right here, but if you already have an account, what you can do is just click on login right here. But before we make an account, I will discuss to you guys the pricings or the plans in Wix. So when I click on pricings right here, as you can see, there are different kinds of plans that you can choose depending on your needs. So they have a business elite plan right here, a business plan, a core plan, and a light plan. So feel free to check all of these out and choose which plan you like for Wix. Then after that, let us now start with the sign up. So to sign up, just click on get started right here, and then from there you can either sign up with an account or just continue with Google, Facebook, or Apple. So for me, I will just continue with Google. And then after signing up, Wix will ask you these questions. So who are you creating a website for? So you can choose right here if it's for yourself, my business, or a friend, or for a client as a freelancer or an agency. So for me, I'll just choose this for myself and then just click on continue. And then after that, Wix is gonna ask you if you want to bring your ideas to life with AI. So if you want to use their AI, you can now start chatting with it. But if you want to make it from scratch, just click on set up without chat. So I'll just click on set up without chat. And then there you go. After that, it will ask you what type of website do you want to create. So for example, I can choose a blog, and then there you go. So you can search up any type of website you want just by using the search bar right here. Then once you're done choosing the type of website you want to create, I'll just click on continue. And then there you go. It will now start preparing your dashboard. And then there you go. We are now in the dashboard of Wix. So what we need to do now is to design our site so that we can now create our portfolio. So to do that, what you want to do is go to design site right here, and then you'll be redirected here. So it will ask you if you want to generate a design with AI, or you can just choose a custom template. So for me, I'll just choose a custom template. So just click on pick a template right there. And then from here, there are a lot of templates that you can choose in making your website. So I'll just search up right here in the search bar right here, like a portfolio. Then I'll just click on enter. And then there you go. As you can see over here, they have different kinds of templates that I can choose in making a portfolio in my website. So feel free to choose which one you like. So for example, I'll use this one right here, this template, which is for graphic designers. So if you want to choose this template, just click on edit right here, and then there you go. You are now here in the website editor for your website. So as you can see over here, I can now edit all of these details right here. So for example, I will add my name right here. So just click on quick edit, and then from here I can now change the details right here in this area. So I can edit the text right here. So I can change the select to my name, like let's just add sample name. And then from here you can also change the style of that, like a heading if you want, a paragraph if you want. So feel free to choose. Then after that, you can also change the font if you want to. So for example, use this one, and then I can also change the font size if I want to, so I can make it smaller or bigger. And then we can also set it like to bold, italicize, or underline if you want. You can also change the color, the highlights, and a lot more. I can also change the alignment, add bullets, also add some effects, character line and spacing, vertical text, and SEO accessibility. So feel free to change or edit those out. And then when I go right here, there's some also available options that I could choose. So I can create AI text right here, add animations, add a link, and a lot more. So once you're done, you can now exit this out, and then let's move on to this photo right here, or the image. So I'll just click on that, and then from here I can change the image, edit the image, see some additional settings with that image. So I can add links to that image. So when somebody clicks on an image, it will open another page. You can also add alternate text right here, or you can also add a tooltip if your image has a tooltip. And then from here, we can also change it and adjust it and reset image proportion. Next is we can design this image right here. So we can add frames, change the shape of our image. Moving on, so we have crop right here. So we can crop out our image if you want to. So you can zoom it in or zoom it out. You can also do a shape crop if you want to. reset the shape proportions, flip it, and then once you're done, just click on apply. You can also add filters right here just by clicking on filters. Then you can change the filter of your image if you want. So for example, choose this one right here, and then once you're done, just exit it out. Next is we can also add animations if you want. So the template already has pre-built animations, but you can change that if you want to. So as you can see over here, we have different kinds of animations that we could choose. So I'll just choose the default one. Then again, we have this link right here, so you can add links to your image if you want someone to click on it and then redirect them to another site. Moving on, we can also edit the details right here in our header. So to do that, just click on quick edit right here, and then from here we can now edit the details with our header. So I can change the text right here, change the search bar. You can also change the text right here in our menu, so we can change it if you want to. So we can add another page right here. So we can add another page for our about section, our services, projects, and a lot more. So feel free to edit those out. And then next, we can edit our details right here. So just click on quick edit again. And then from here, you can change the section background, the strip background, and you can also change the button right here. You can also change the text of that button. So for example, I'll just add text right here. So click here for more detail. Then once you're done, you're done. You can also change the layout right here if you want, and then there you go. You can also change the text right here. Again, you can use the settings again right here in customizing the details of your portfolio. So for example, I'll just change this into details, details, and details. So feel free to customize those out. So there are a lot of more pages right here that you can customize. So feel free to customize those. And then when I click on a section right here, like this section right here, section project 1, when I go to this right side right here, we can see more additional settings. So as you can see over here, we can move the section up a page, down a page. We can also quick edit it and change the layout. And then when I click on these 3 dots right here for more actions, we have more actions that we could choose. So again, we can move it up or down, quick edit it, change the section layouts and settings, change the background, add shape dividers. We can also cut it, copy, paste it, duplicate it, and then delete the section. And then moving on, if you want to see the different kinds of views of your site, you can change them right here. So this right now will be the desktop view. So this is what our website will look like in the desktop. So when I click on this mobile view right here, this is what our website will look like in mobile. So you can edit these out as well. So let's just go back to desktop view so that it will look bigger, and then there you go. Moving on, I'll be covering these settings right here in Wix. So first is we have add elements. So from here, we can now add elements to our websites. We can add text, images, buttons, boxes, a gallery if you want to, and a lot more. So feel free to check all of these out because they have a lot of templates that you could choose in customizing your website. Next is we have sections. So from here, we can add different kinds of sections that we want in our website. So we have a welcome section, an about section, a gallery section, a team section, and a lot more. So again, feel free to check all of these out. Next is we have the site pages and menu. So we can see right here our menu. So this right here is our menu right here in the top right corner. So we can add more menus if you want to. So to edit those details, just click on these 3 dots right here, and then you can get to see a lot of settings that you could choose for your menu. Next is we have blog pages right here. So we can edit out the pages right here regarding with our blog pages. Next is we have site design. So you can change the color or theme of your site. So you can change the color theme, the text theme, the page background theme, and you can also set page transitions. Next is we have the Wix Market app. So from here, you can integrate a lot of apps that you want in your website. So feel free to choose which one you want to use. Next is my business. So from here, there are a lot of settings that you could use right here for your website. So you can write a post right here. You can also create forms or use the Wix site search. You can also add more apps if you want just by clicking on find apps right here, and then you can choose from any of these apps. Next is we have media. So this right here, this is the area in where you upload or edit your images and videos. So you can upload them here. So you can upload media from your computer, Facebook, Instagram, Drive, and Google Photos. They also have some stock images right here that you can use. So they have Wix images, Wix videos, and a lot more. So feel free to check those out. And then lastly is we have CMS right here. So this allows you to easily manage your site content. So you can set up content collections, create hundreds of dynamic pages, and you can also collect info from your site visitors. So yeah, those are pretty much the settings right here in the left side of Wix. And then when I go to the top right here, as you can see, I can switch my pages of my site. So this right here is the home page of my site. So I can switch it to my profile right here. And then there you go. It will lead me to my profile page. There's also some contact pages right here, blog pages, search results, and you can also manage your pages just by clicking on this. Moving on, I'll be covering this area right here in Wix. So first is we have the undo and redo button. So this just allows you to undo and redo your mistakes. Next is we have the zoom. So you can zoom in if you want to. So you can zoom in and zoom out. Next is we have tools. So we can use these tools right here in customizing our website. So we can add the toolbar, add layers, rulers, grid lines, and snap to objects. And then next is we have search. So we can search anything right here to find what we need. So feel free to search in there. Next, I'll be covering this upper area right here in Wix. So first is we have sites. We can save our work right here, preview it, get feedback, publish the site, and a lot more. Next is the settings. So we will get to see our website settings right here if you want to. Next is dev mode. So basically what this does, if you turn on dev mode, you can create your website if you want to program it by yourself. You can also hire a professional if you want to. So if you want to hire a professional, just click on get matched right here, and then you'll be matched with a professional. The next for help, if you need extra help in making your website, Wix has a lot of tutorials right here in helping you do those. Next is we have upgrade right here. So basically what this does is it will just redirect you to their payment page and where you can upgrade your plan. And then again, we have the save option right here and then the preview option. And then once you're done making your website, to publish it, just click on publish right here, and then your website will go live. So yeah, that is pretty much it on how to use Wix in making your portfolio.